Investigations are ongoing in Burkina Faso's Percoa zinc mine, as 2 more dead bodies have been recovered. Unexpected rains flooded the mine 6 weeks ago, trapping 8 miners working at a depth of more than 500 meters. Rescue efforts continue, and experts have been flown in from Canada, Australia, and South Africa to help with operations. The group of missing miners consisted of 1 Tanzanian, 1 Zambian, and 6 Burkinabe. 2 miners are still missing. The authorities are yet to reveal the identities of the bodies that were recovered so far.